Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video, I want to share my English journey with you. And nowadays I am learning because I want to speak English confidently and fluently. When I was started learning, it was very difficult for me. I didn't know how to use sentences and how to use tenses or how to use pronunciation some words. Whenever I tried to speak, I felt shy and very nervous. I was afraid that people would laugh at me when I made a mistake. In the beginning, I made so many mistakes in grammar, pronunciation, even in small words. Sometimes I used two wrong words and sometimes I forgot what I wanted to say. But still, I never stopped learning. I told myself, it's okay. One day I will speak English with confidently. I started watching English video on YouTube and listened to English music, and I also watched English movies with subtitles. At first I didn't understand much, but slowly I catching words. Now I can understand more than before. Every day I try to practice English in small ways. Sometimes I talk to myself in front of the mirror. Sometimes I record my voice and listen again and find out my mistakes. Before, I was very scared to speak English. But now I am more confident. Still, I make mistakes, but not like before. Earlier, I made many mistakes every line. Now, sometimes I speak full sentence correctly. And that makes me happy. I have learned very important things. We don't need to perfect English to start speaking. We just need confidence and practice. So I decided to start speaking with making mistakes. And honestly, that decision changed everything. Now I enjoy learning. When I learn new words and when I say full sentence without thinking too much, I feel proud of myself. Learning English also has changed my personality. I feel more open, confident, and positive. If you are also learning English like me, please don't feel shy or scared. Everyone starts from zero, and that's completely fine. Just keep practicing every day, and your English is definitely improve. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.